When it comes to upgrading your home's windows and doors, the choice of installation is just as important as the quality of the materials themselves. While DIY projects might seem like an attractive way to save money, professional installation ensures that your EcoView windows and doors are properly fitted and provide long-term benefits. If you're a homeowner in Knoxville, choosing EcoView windows and doors and having them professionally installed offers a host of advantages, from enhanced energy efficiency to improved security and overall home comfort. Let's explore the key benefits of choosing professional installation with EcoView windows and doors in Knoxville. Optimal performance and longevity. One of the most significant advantages of professional installation is the optimal performance of your windows and doors. Even the highest quality materials will not perform as intended if they are improperly installed. Poor installation can lead to gaps, drafts, and other issues that undermine the energy efficiency and security of your home. Proper sealing and fitting. When you choose EcoView windows and doors, you're investing in energy-efficient, high-quality products. However, to maximize their potential, professional installers ensure that they are sealed and fitted correctly. This prevents drafts and air leaks, improving your home's insulation and reducing your heating and cooling costs. Long-term durability. Professional installation also ensures that your windows and doors are correctly aligned and sealed, preventing common issues like warping and misalignment over time. Proper installation extends the life of your EcoView windows and doors, ensuring that they continue to perform at their best for years to come. Increased energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in Knoxville, where temperatures can fluctuate widely throughout the year. Whether it's hot summer sun or cold winter air, your windows and doors are integral to maintaining a comfortable home environment. Professional installation of EcoView windows and doors ensures that your home benefits from maximum energy efficiency. Energy-efficient design. EcoView windows and doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like low-E glass, multi-pane windows, and insulated frames help to reduce the transfer of heat. However, improper installation can compromise these features. Professional installers make sure that the windows and doors are installed with precision, allowing these energy-saving features to work as intended. Reduced utility bills. By ensuring a perfect seal and proper installation, professional installers prevent air leaks and temperature fluctuations, which helps maintain a stable indoor temperature. This reduces your reliance on your heating and cooling system, leading to lower utility bills and more consistent comfort in your home. Enhanced security. Your home's windows and doors are the primary entry points for potential intruders. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading to more secure models, professional installation is crucial for maximizing your home's security. Sturdy installation. Professional installers ensure that your EcoView windows and doors are installed with high-quality locking mechanisms and reinforced frames. A poorly installed door or window can be an easy target for burglars, but professional installation ensures that your windows and doors are securely anchored in place, making it more difficult for anyone to break in. Custom security features. Many EcoView windows and doors come with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and impact-resistant glass. Professional installation ensures that these features are fully functional and properly installed, providing the highest level of protection for your family and property. Expert advice and customization. When you choose EcoView windows and doors, you're not just getting a product. You're also getting the expertise of experienced professionals who can offer personalized recommendations based on your home's unique needs. Tailored solutions. Professional installers take the time to assess your home's specific requirements and recommend the best window and door solutions for your budget and preferences. They can help you choose the right materials, styles, and features that suit your home's aesthetics while also meeting practical needs such as energy efficiency, security, and noise reduction. Design options. With professional installation, you'll have access to a wider range of design options. Whether you're looking for custom sizes, unique finishes, or a specific type of glass, the professionals at EcoView Windows and Doors can help you select the perfect products to match your vision. Time and cost efficiency. While DIY installation might seem like a cost-saving option, it often leads to mistakes, delays, and even additional costs down the road. Choosing professional installation for your EcoView windows and doors in Knoxville is often more cost-effective and efficient in the long run. Time saving. Professional installers are experienced and work efficiently. What might take you several days to complete, they can typically finish in a fraction of the time. Their speed and expertise minimize the disruption to your daily life and ensure that the job is done right the first time. Avoid hidden costs. Incorrect installation can result in additional repair costs or the need to replace improperly installed windows or doors sooner than expected. By investing in professional installation, you ensure that your windows and doors are installed to the highest standards, avoiding future expenses. Peace of mind with warranties. When you choose EcoView windows and doors and opt for professional installation, you're often covered by warranties that protect both the product and the installation. This provides peace of mind knowing that, should any issues arise, the experts who installed your windows and doors will be there to address them. Manufacturer and installation warranties. With warranties on both the products and the workmanship, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. If you encounter any issues down the line, you'll have the assurance that they'll be addressed at no additional cost to you. Conclusion. Professional installation with EcoView windows and doors in Knoxville offers a multitude of benefits that go far beyond just getting the job done. From energy efficiency and increased security to personalized solutions and long-term savings, professional installation ensures that your investment delivers the best possible results. When you choose EcoView and work with skilled professionals, you're not only enhancing your home's comfort and security but also adding value and peace of mind to your property.